local orthopedic practice has been serving the Bay Area for nearly 50 years, and their mission is to deliver the highest level of care to all patients.
In today's Fitness Friday, sponsored by Orthopaedic Medical Group of Tampa Bay, or OMGTB, Dr. Lanfair is here to tell us more about this group and to show us some at-home exercises to help with joint replacement. So welcome to the show. Great to have you here.
Thank you. I'm very excited to be here. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, before we get into some of those exercises, let's talk a little bit about OMGTB. Kind of tell us who you are, what you do.
So our group was started over 45 years ago by Dr. Stuart Goldsmith, who had the mission to provide the utmost quality in orthopedic care in the Tampa Bay area, while also maintaining integrity and serving everybody, no matter who they were, where they're from, what kind of insurance they have.
Yeah.
And that basically blossomed off to his son actually joining the group once he finished his training. And then, to make a long story short, we basically now have we have 14 surgeons who serve from basically head to toe. We have spine surgery, we have shoulders, whatever, head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Whatever you need,
Yeah.
we have somebody who serves in that capacity. Yeah. We also have a strong group of physician assistants, athletic trainers, and a smorgasbord of other staff members who do a great job of helping serve our patients.
Yeah. Fantastic. Yeah. And you also have a number of different locations. Can you tell us about some of your locations, where they are?
So we have an office in Brandon, we have an office in Fishhawk, Plant City, Riverview, St. Petersburg, Sun City, Tampa. Winter Haven and Wesley Chapel, and we're also beginning a new construction in Waterset as well.
Nice.
Yes.
So you are a big part of the community. You have so many locations, and you also do a lot for the community.
Correct.
Can you talk a little bit more about that?
So one of our biggest purposes in terms of our community engagement is we like to educate, and we also like to give back. So a lot of our efforts are centered around like athletics. For instance, we volunteer with the local high schools and provide the team doctor role. And we also have our athletic trainers that come out and help us out, and we partner with our physician, physical therapists. Sorry, I was a former personal trainer, so PT in my mind is both. But physical therapists in the area, and they help us out with our athletes as well.
Oh, that's incredible. Well, we're talking about joint replacement today, and you have some exercises that you're going to share that we can do at home. Yes. Okay. Should we get up?
Yeah, let's do it.
You're gonna walk this through? Okay, we're moving today on Fitness Friday.
All right.
Okay, what's the first move?
Oh, we need the chair.
Let's turn them around.
Okay.
All right. I guess we want to go to the side, right?
So, yeah. Let's turn this way. I like it.
So for hip replacements, let's start there.
Yeah.
There's hip extension exercises, right?
Okay.
So you want to work the muscles around the hip, and your glute, your booty muscles, right? The big ones in the back, right? They're very important. So a leg extension, you basically just slowly extend the leg backwards. Yep. Nice and easy, and then squeeze at the top, okay? Now, also your hip abductors, which basically move your leg to the side. We can do those as well. So those are really good. And these are basic exercises you can do in the beginning. Now, if you want to progress them, you can actually put a exercise band, like the rubber band.
The resistance,
resistance bands, and actually get some more resistance.
This is something that people do after they've had the surgery to kind of get all their mobility
And they actually can do it before surgery, actually, to get you ready for it, to get those muscles strong.
I was telling you, one of my friends just had a hip replacement, and so she's been doing all of this.
So, so that was a stand. What about the sitting? Sitting.
So we'll kind of move on to the knee. So the quadricep muscles, hamstrings, they're very important for recovery, like after a knee replacement. So one of the is basically, you can do this, a lot of times you do this while you're lying down. Is basically you can do a heel slide, and you basically slide that heel back as far as you can.
I remember
you
my
work on
mom
that
doing that.
Yep, you got to work on that range of motion. And then you're also using your hamstrings, right? And then you extend it back out. Now, the other one is basically working on the muscles in the front of your knee, which are your quadricep muscles. You really want to, and it's kind of better to do when you're lying down, but you want to extend that knee, lock it out, and then raise it up nice and slow.
Yeah, right after surgery, I could see how that's a tough one.
Yeah, it's tough. Yeah.
All right.
Yep.
Well, thank you so much for showing us
we
all that.
appreciate it.
Of course,
yeah,
of
to
course.
learn more about everything that they offer and the locations that we mentioned earlier, just head to their website listed on your screen. It is omgtb.com.